What starts as a simple attempt to stop a blue Chevrolet quickly turns into a full-scale pursuit. The driver refuses to yield. Speeds surge past 130 miles per hour, and officers are suddenly chasing through wet, unpredictable road conditions. With rain falling and the suspect driving erratically, the risk level climbs fast. Every mile, every turn, and every radio call now carries weight. This is the kind of pursuit where timing, coordination, and restraint can mean the difference between a safe stop and a catastrophic outcome.
There's going to be 4 Western 520, 4 Western 520. It's going to be with a blue Chevrolet, stand by. Mary's going to have Georgia 20, Sam Adam Roberts, 4295. SAR 4295, I'm 1080.
Very sick, you like it.
I am 1080, heading toward Dawson. He's all over the road. Walking a bit.
Coming up leading in Dawson. Where are you at again?
We're coming in the Perry. We're at 130.
Done, so contact off PD parallel letter.
Well, get up here to straightaway about the Youngers. Can't get to the field. about yokers. I'm gonna see if I can't get a good hit on it. He's blocking a bit.
36, I'm on 520, you on 536?
Yeah, 36, 36.
Alright, I'm getting set up at the 10. Y'all should be to me shortly.
Yeah, 10-4 coming up on Jimmy Raines.
At triple-digit speeds on slick pavement, officers hold position and wait for the right window. Spike strips are deployed with precision, and the gamble pays off. Tires start dropping fast, but with control fading, the danger isn't over. Would you stay in close here, or create distance and let the vehicle fail on its own?
Alright, I believe I see. He's straddling the center line. Alright, Max, we got good stick, good stick.
Did you hit this 10?
10-4, 10-4. We got tire, rear tire down on the right side.
Turn there, yes.
We got front right tire down. We got 2 tires down.
Turn there, check.
America, we're still rolling. We're coming in the Dawson. See if I can't do it. Shit!
With multiple tires destroyed, the suspect loses control and the pursuit ends in a crash. Officers move in quickly, manage a tense felony stop, and safely take the driver into custody. Strong communication and disciplined tactics kept this high-risk situation from turning worse. If you want more real pursuit breakdowns, hit like, share your take below, and subscribe for more.
Pit. 1050. Show me your goddamn hand! Give me a reason! Roll down your window! Give me a reason!
I'm not.
Look at all. Hey, I'm about your seatbelt tall out on the fucking ground. Anything stupid, I'm gonna fucking shoot you. You understand me?
I got you.
You will fucking die!
I got you.
Crawl across that seat!
You can drive it.
I don't give a shit!
Let me do this. You want to
Put it in park!
All across. 50,000 volts, do something stupid. All around.
Yes, sir.
I don't give a shit!
No, I just need you to know.
Get on the fucking ground!
So,
All
Stupid!
you gotta do.
Now you used to work for Delta.
other arm. Give it to me. Alright, you hurt, injured, any stupid shit like that?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Roll over on your side. What's your
Americus, 1095. 1095, notify MPH.
Huh? I don't know what to believe at this point.
You don't know what to believe? You going to jail, you can believe that. Where's your license at?
You said my license?
Where's your license?
Shit.
In the back pocket?
No.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
It's either in my car or my...
We're gonna stand, we're gonna...
Right there on my left.
You got a firearm?
I told him that when I got in the car, right there.
Right where?
Right on my, right here. It's a Taurus.
Don't reach for it.
Don't reach for it.
I'm just...
Hang on. It's on your back?
No, it's in the pocket of the jacket. I hope it's in
Hell. You talking about the jacket?
Bro, where's the gun? Stop reaching, you moving your hand.
Alright, I'm sorry. If it's not on me, it's in the car then.
How do you know if you have a gun on you?
Yeah, he said you got a gun on
I
him.
know it's in the car on me, bro. It's one of the two. I ain't go to sleep. I ain't had a long
I don't feel a gun.
Alright, then it ain't on me then.
Is it in your bag?
Nah, it gotta be somewhere on the driver's side. I got weed on me, and
Been smoking?
yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna stand you up. Alright? What I want you to do is bend your knees, both of them. We're gonna roll to the side. Alright, and then I'm gonna help you up. Alright, ready? Woo! There it is.
Told you, bro.
Oh.
Is your license suspended? No, sir.
Why'd you run?
I really think something bad is happening in my life, and I don't know.
You just made it worse, man.
This is how it's going. I'd rather be this way than how I'm thinking. Like, no, man. Hell the fuck, no, you should take this packet.
He's running 76 in Weston.
All this.
For a speeding ticket.
Come on, man.
But make sure you ain't gonna get. You ain't got no contraband on, do you?
What's up?
What's that?
You got weed on me.
Hang on. You got money in there too. Hold tight right there. Brian, we need to search him. He's got money on him and weed in his front pocket. Let me just put him on here in front of your car. I'm gonna get gloves.
Hey, I need to go back down the road real quick. My hat just shut. My shit's all over the highway down there.
Okay, all right. Wait, all right, you go do that then.
You go get it. I will be right back.
All right, cuz. Okay. Yeah. Can you come watch him for me?
I'm gonna bring some equipment in the white F-150. He said he can come meet us here.
Yeah. Hold him. I'm just gonna get some gloves and we're gonna search him real good.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, Americus. 10-4, we have mile past 11 on 520 Terre County. Like I said, dude, I don't know you. I don't know if you got any fentanyl or nothing on you. That's why I'm putting gloves on. I just don't want to not stop breathing. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna search him real good. What you got in there? Challenge coins. Fulton County Sheriff. Awesome, cool. 2 challenge coins. We'll zip it up. And we talking about a little bit of weed right here. And some money. It's your cash. Is the weed on you or in the car?
It should be like...
Hang on. Well, I just looked in that pocket.
It should be in this pocket.
Okay, that's
Yeah, it's in here.
It's in there? Okay, got it. Alright. Here's what I'm going to do right here in front of you. I'm going to count this and put it back in your pocket, okay? We're going to keep it on you. We're going to try not to lose it all. So that's 5, that's 6, that's 7, that's 8, that's 9, that's $10. $10 cash going in this pocket. We'll zip it up. So it's going to stay there. Alright, right here you think the car keys. And these look, dude, you ran for this?
No.
Alright.
No, bro. That's not why I ran, bro.
Why'd you run
I
then?
promise you that. That's not why I ran. Something just strange is happening in my life, bro.
Hang on.
Something really strange has happened, that's all I
Hang on.
know, man.